Comrades, this is your captain.
Once more, we play our dangerous game. A game of chess against our old adversary, the American Navy.
They really built this. This isn't a mock-up or anything.
She put to sea this morning. She's the Red October, the latest Typhoon class.
What are these doors?
Those doors, sir, are the problem. I don't know what they are, neither do the British.
The worry is the Americans. We meet the right sort. This will work. We get some buckaroo.
New contact bearing 097. Designate contact number Sierra 35.
Man overboard! Port side!
Captain, we're cavitating. You can hear us!
Our own fleet doesn't know our full potential.
They will do everything possible to test us, but they will only test their own embarrassment.
The hunt for Red October.